What's up, you guys? What's up? It's just SkinnyBoyRandy. How you doing today? What's up, you guys? Hello, I'm calling you. Hello, pick up the phone. SkinnyBoyRandy calling. It's not a spam caller. Hey, you guys, how you doing today? I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. You are absolutely amazing. You could be anywhere else in the garden universe, but you choose to spend a little time with SkinnyBoyRandy, and I greatly appreciate you. And if nobody told you today that they love you, I do. I love you from the bottom of my heart and the depths of my soul. I love each and every one of you for being here. Thank you so much, you guys. Hey, how you doing? I'm feeling good. Just got off work. I threw a green hat on for a green planting day, okay? I love you guys. You're the best. Hope you're being safe. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. You guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. We get a little crazy over here, okay? And I love it. Thank you guys so much for being here. If you're new, click the like and subscribe button. We'll wait. I wasn't snoring. Sorry, y'all. Oh, you finished? You click like and subscribe. You a thumbs up, thumbs down. Just not the two middle fingers. Okay. I love you guys. You're the best. Also, head on over to my Facebook group, Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy. Beginners and experts are welcome. It's also the same name over there. So you can find me over there. You can find me on Twitter and Instagram. And I'm going to be working on building those pages as well, you guys. But thank you so much for being here. Leave a comment. Share my videos, you guys. We're growing by leaps and bounds, and I love you guys for it. Thank you so much. How you doing today? What's up? Yes, we're going to dive right into this video. I'm not going to hold you long, I promise. We're going to be growing herbs in containers and starting them from seeds, you guys. Yes, we're in October Zone 7 in Richmond, Virginia, but this applies to all the zones. You can grow herbs all year long, you guys. You can grow herbs in your kitchen window, anywhere you want to, inside, outside, whatever you want to do, up, down, around, and around. Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. Yes, we got a little loopy. But yeah, you guys, you can grow your herbs all year round. You can grow herbs inside the house. Make sure you have a great grow light. I'm going to be doing a video on a great grow light, and I'll show you guys later. But yeah, go ahead and get your gardening going. In October, we're still gardening, y'all. You can still be planting stuff. I like to see something growing all year long. How about you? Okay. So let's go ahead and dive into this. Today, we're going to be planting some herbs. Now, some easy herbs to plant and grow inside or outside are some basil. We're going to plant some sweet basil from Valley Green. And you guys, I'm going to also start leaving the links to all the products that I talk about, okay? I love you guys because you're asking me, where did you get that? Where did you get that? I'm going to start leaving the link to the product. So these are from Valley Green. These are some sweet basil. I have some dill. Some parsley. And then we're going to try some cumin. Chives. Lemon mint, and lavender. How you doing? No, something about saying the word lavender. But yeah, we're gonna play some lavender. Yeah, so yeah, you guys, we're gonna just dive right into this video. Now, there's several different ways you can plant your herbs, depending on where you live. If you're in a warm environment, California, y'all can put yourself right in the ground sometimes and it'll grow. Some things don't do well in the heat though. So be careful, do your research on your particular item that you're growing. Also, you want to start out with a good soil base. So I'm going to show you, if you don't have any seed starting mix, sometimes you have to make your own. I don't have store-bought seed growing mix today, so I'm just gonna make my own. Okay, so let's just dive right into this video. Yeah, the work area looks crazy, but it'll all come together in just a little bit. So what I want to show you first is how we're just gonna mix up some soil, our seed starting soil. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of cocoa coir, a little bit of my cocoa coir, and it's been moisturized by the rain, not on purpose. And then I'm going to mix some of my compost and soil that I showed you guys from the local place up the street, and mix some of that in there, and just mix it all together. Then I'm going to throw in a little bit of vermiculite, just like that. A little bit more cocoa coir, because your seed starting mix really just, needs to be soft, aerated, so the seeds can get a fresh start. and they're not overpowered by too many nutrients too soon. It's like feeding the baby a chicken leg before it even started the bottle. Okay. I love you guys. You're the best. So yeah, just that fast, we made us some soil starting mix. That's all. That's all we did, you guys. Now you also have the option of using these peat pellets. Now I tried peat pellets before, and I had the smaller version, and they did not so well. But these are a larger version, you guys. Look. And what they do, they start off. Now I just had the pellets sitting right here to show you guys. Where are you, pellets? Okay. So the seed starting pellets, oh, they were in the tray. Sorry, you guys. But yeah, they start off like this. See? And when you put warm water on them, you can use cold water, but it'll take a longer time. This is how big it turns. And this is just like peat moss compressed into a little cell. See? And you can use these to start your seedlings. It's an easy way. It's already seed starting mix, and it's already in a little container. And you just pop these in some water, and they expand to these. Okay? Now, what we're going to do, I'm going to show you several different ways to plant these. So let's get our container back up here. We got our seed starting mix. Now, you can use the larger container. It's a 6-pack. Now, this is also a 6-pack. See the difference? Yeah. Or you can start them in these. Or the 4-packs. It's all up to you guys. It's your garden. You do what you want to do. Okay? So, today I'm just going to demonstrate using the 6-pack. Because we're going to transplant some of these into a container. So I just want to show you the seed starting method. We're going to take our soil, put it right down in there like that. Can you guys see me? Take our soil, put it right down, and it's already moist. Give it a thumb press, you know, to take out any air pockets so the roots don't get exposed to air. Just give it a thumb press like that, you guys. Take a little bit more soil and sprinkle right on top. And that's how you start a seed starting tray. Now, for our pellets, you just simply want to take this part and pop it open. Just like that. And this is ready to receive seeds. Okay? If you want to use a container like so, same thing, you guys. It's not rocket science. Fill that up, give it a good press. And then put a little bit more on top. And I always like to leave the top layer loose so my seeds can get down in there. And then all you want to do is take your seeds, and let's start off with some basil, you guys. And what I like to do, a quick tip on your seed package. Sometimes everybody doesn't have all the fancy dancy stuff to store your seeds in. So what I do is I take my seed packet, and instead of opening the entire thing, I just take this little piece right here and take a little piece open. And stick my finger down in there like that. And then I have a little spout. And then I'm going to show you the sweet basil seeds. Hope you guys can see the sweet basil seeds. So I'm going to put a few into this peat pallet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, you guys, you can grow it, you know, 1 or 2 seeds, but then you're taking a chance of not getting anything. So all of this is going to be basil. So I'm just sprinkling, overseeding. You know, you guys, if you look at my old videos, you'll see what I mean when I say I overseed. If we need to thin, we can do that. And I'm just sprinkling these seeds right on top, you guys, just right on top. Just sprinkling these seeds right over top. Nothing fancy dancy. I sprinkle some here, some there, some there. I'm just going to take a little bit of dusting and go over it. I'm not really even going to pack it or anything. Just go over it. A little bit of more soil to go over it. Just like that. And I'm just going to add a little bit over here to our pellet so we don't have to press it down. Then just get your little water. and water it down. Like I said, it was already pre-moistened, but that's okay. Now we're going to start seeing sprouts from these in about 2 weeks, maybe even sooner. Who knows? Depending on your weather, your temperatures. We've been having temperatures of 79 going on 80 degrees, you guys, here in Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia. So a lot of these I can leave outside. I don't even have to take them inside to start, because the sun is about to come out. It's about to get hot out here. Okay, and I'm going to leave because I ain't about to fall out here. Then y'all have to call the emergency room and call 911 YouTube. But anybody got no money for that? Because the ambulance calls. But yeah, you guys, so that's how you start the seeds. If you want to start it from seed. Now, say for instance, you want to go ahead and start directly into your container. And you're just going to do the exact same thing. Get you a small container. What did I do with our little container, you guys? Let's move our peat pellets over here. And then these make great containers. Shout out to the Dollar Tree. Yeah. And just make sure you have a drainage hole at the bottom. Nothing fancy dancy. Put the soil in there, like that. We're going to add some more cocoa coir. Because we're trying to mimic Mother Nature's soil here. You know, this is the difference between, you know, starting it from seed and starting it in the ground. Then I'm going to put a little bit of that compost in there like that. Just like that. Tap of vermiculite in there. Excuse me. Some all-purpose plant food. Okay, it's a 10-10-10. Just a little bit of that in there. I'm going to mix all this together. Now this is started in the container. Put some more of my compost in there. And if you have potting soil, like I have some black gold here, go ahead and throw a little bit of that in there. Can't hurt. Just giving it extra nutrients. Now see right here, this soil is rich. Whatever goes in here is gonna grow, y'all. Okay. So we know we have our sweet basil right there. And now we're gonna do some parsley in this one. Again, I'm only gonna peel a little bit of the flap. Just like that. And my fingers are a little dirty, y'all. And then make me a little spout. And my parsley seeds are a little bigger than the basil. So I'm just going to take some of my parsley seeds and sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle, little star. Y'all know how I get. I'm just so happy you guys are here. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you've been safe and, you know, following all the guidelines and all the rules and regulations, because there's so many out. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of my compost and just kind of gently cover it. Because like I said, I don't want to pack my herb seeds down. I just want them to have a little coverage over their bodies. Just a little bit, like so, and water. Now you guys, this is the same technique for all of the herbs that you can grow right now. I mean, I'm not going to do all of them right on camera, but I just want to show you how you can start it. Now this is going to be a parsley bowl. Then we're going to have basil growing from seed in here. And I'm going to show you guys how we do that, how we grow that. Also, remember, grow you some thyme, parsley, sage, oregano, rosemary, basil, mint, and dill. Okay? These are just some simple things that you can grow 365 days a year. Okay? I love you guys. Also, get you some chives. Did I say chives? We're going to do some chives too. Okay? I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. This was just a quick tutorial on how to start your herb garden from seed in the little seed starter kits and in the container. I love you guys so much. Follow me. This is part 1 of this series, the herb gardening. We're still growing in October, you guys. I love you. Thank you so much for being here. You're the best. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff, you guys. We ain't got no money. Keep going to the grocery store. We ain't got no money and eat it. You're the best.